Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with Professor Emeritus Chaiken and Joel Brother. We're here to try to help you understand how to approach study for the SAT and also doing specific SAT math problems. So, in terms of studying, we strongly suggest that you go to Khan Academy. There we go, Khan Academy. They partner with the SAT people, and they basically tell you what's on the test. And you should just go through. If you want to know how to get to this point, watch the video that's dated June 29th. So today yesterday we did systems of linear equations word problems, although we didn't use it as a systems of equation. And today we're going to do the first question in the advanced section of linear inequality word problems advanced. So without any further ado, let's go. Okay, here we have the problem. Please read it, pause the video, come back, and we will go over how to do it, and at least go over various approaches. So, time to annotate. Get an annotation ready. Okay, ready, set. Here we go. Oh, wow. Whoa. Huh. Floor. Linear inequality. Wow. Floor wants to make tables and chairs. Each table or chair is made up with the same number of wooden boards and nails. She has a total of 150 of wooden net boards, 330 nails. The systems of inequalities is shown representing the number of tables and number of chairs she can make in this situation. Does Floor have enough boards and nails to make 9 tables and 3 tables and 9 chairs? Wow. This is so much harder than anything we've seen on the non-digital side, isn't it? I mean, surely it's an advanced question.
It's different.
It's different.
I say it's a very easy question, but it's conceptually it's a different. I don't recall seeing a question like this in the previous, the non-digital body of questions.
Yes.
But
yes.
in terms of the math you have to do to solve it, it's really easy.
Yeah, don't we just put?
It's a matter of like those other questions. We have seen questions in which you're supposed to explain the interpretation of an equation in terms of the problem, or what the equation says about the problem. Here they are doing the same thing. They're asking you what equation says what about the problem. Yeah. Except they're not talking about equations. They're talking about inequalities.
Right.
Now, what is an equation?
Equation
like
is a
if I wrote 3 equals 7, right? Is that an equation or not?
Yeah, that's an equation.
That is an equation. Yes. What is weird about it?
It's not true.
It is not true. Yes. What about 3 plus 2 equals 5? What's that?
It's an equation.
What can you say about it?
It's true.
Yes. Okay. So now, okay, good. So let's go from there.
So I'm just busy calculating these things, plugging the numbers into these equations, and this is not true, and this is true. So, well, forget this one, right? Floor doesn't have enough because these numbers don't satisfy both equations. Now,
well, let's see. Please explain it in English.
What I'm trying to do?
What does the first equation say?
First equation says that tables that, in terms of the boards, each table requires 17 boards and six chairs.
No. each table requires 17 boards, and each chair requires 6 boards.
Oh, right. Yes, each chair requires 6
You have
boards.
to
Right.
say
Yes.
what it, be
Yes, that's
accurate.
right. You're
I think,
right.
I think, I think it's wise. We should teach our listeners to be and to hear accurate English descriptions of
Yes.
situations in math.
No, Seth, you're totally correct, and I was totally wrong about that.
So slow down,
Yeah.
take it easy. Don't try to say it fast. Just try to say accurately.
Right.
Translate
Okay. So
with
I got the point. Okay,
accuracy
we're done.
the
I
math
understand.
symbols
Seth, I
into
got it.
English.
I got it. So now let's investigate the board situation. We did the board situation. Now let's investigate the nail situation. Now that I made the mistake once, each table requires 34 nails, and each chair requires 27 nails. So it looks like because you're happy on this one, this satisfies the equation, you have
The
enough
inequality.
boards. Yes, you have the inequality. You have enough boards, but not enough nails. Nails, 330, right. Because this equation is not being satisfied.
Equality has not been satisfied. Inequality has not been satisfied.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Wait, is an inequality? No, is an inequality a type of equation?
No,
Really?
really.
Huh.
An equation is an expression that says one side equals another side.
Right.
An
Okay.
inequality is an equation that says there are 4 kinds of inequalities. One
Right.
side is
Yeah.
strictly less than the other side. One side is strictly greater than the other side. One side is less than or equal, and the other side is greater than or equal.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then we could take 4 more. We could take I will not let's not talk about at this point in what happens when you negate these characters. So
Right.
the deal with nails, it's 330 nails to build the goal number of tables and chairs. The number of nails you need must be less than or equal to the number of nails you have.
That's right.
Okay? So to make enough to make means that what you have is either exactly how much you need or is more than what you need.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then you don't have enough.
Yeah.
You don't have enough nails because the nail equation. Yeah, let's make it really obvious. This is
Nail inequality.
Oh God, you're right. Just keep doing that. Thank you for correcting me, Seth.
Nail inequality.
The nail inequality is not being satisfied. You don't have enough nails, but you do have enough boards.
Wait, 345. So 345 is the number of nails you need.
That's right. You need to
330 is the number of nails you have.
That's right. So therefore, you have enough boards, but not enough nails.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have enough boards and not enough nails.
Yeah, you're right. This question, once you, well, yeah, it is a little more conceptual and abstract, but once you think about it a little, it's not that bad. But yeah, it's questions like this aren't usually asked in a normal school curriculum. Again, the SAT is really going for having you really understand what's going on. So this is all good practice. Okay, should we clear the thing and look at how they do it? Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. B. Congratulations. They don't give us a choice to see how to do it. So what we'll do is we'll just... Oh, they changed it. Did they say how to do it, or did they give us hints? Wow. Okay. Sometimes you have to click the hint more than once. Okay, let's see how they do it. Let's check whether the floor has enough wooden boards. So they're doing the wooden board side. That works. Okay, now let's check if they have enough nails. So they check the nail side. It doesn't work. So then it's B. So it's very similar to what we did. There doesn't seem to be much more of an... doesn't seem to be too many different approaches to this one. To doing it. You plug the numbers in and see if the inequality... This time I got it right, so they said inequality. See if
very good, very good. Yeah, you're learning.
Hope. There is hope. That's right. There's always hope.
There's hope.
There's always hope,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it for today. Okay. So then we are doing the advanced. If these seem hard on the inequality side, we're only doing the advanced questions with the idea that if we go through the concepts and understand how to approach the advanced questions, then presumably the moderate questions and the foundation questions, one you can do. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Please like us, dislike us, give us comments on our YouTube videos, and email us your SAT math questions at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Today's Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.